Digital side view monitors. Lexus, the luxury division of Toyota, introduced the world's first digital side view monitors in 2018. Similar to their traditional counterparts, these monitors provide views of the rear, left, and right of the car. Unlike a pair of typical mirrors, however, they are all digital. The system works by using cameras to replace conventional side view mirrors. When driver engages the reverse gear or uses turn indicators, the camera automatically delivers extended view that eliminates blind spot and therefore helps driver make safer maneuvers. Visibility at night also is much better compared to actual mirrors. Hudley Wireless. In case your car doesn't have such a futuristic display projected onto the windscreen and you are craving for the technology but the budget is just not there yet, the Hudley Wireless can be the answer. Started as Kickstarter and Indiegogo campaigns, Hudley Wireless is a standalone device that can wirelessly connect to your smartphone and mirror whatever image on the screen. The idea is to let you see navigational app on your windscreen so that you don't have to take your eyes off the road. But the system also allows you to project other contents, including photos and videos. Car aid. When someone mentioned multi-tools, one thing that comes across your mind is a Leatherman or anything popularly known as a Swiss Army knife. There is another type of multi-tool strong enough to crack open a car window. It is called car aid. This multi-tool is actually pretty big, but it has to be that way because there is an 8,000 mAh battery inside, powerful enough to jumpstart your car. As long as it has at least 50% of charge left, car aid can revive struggling car's battery in seconds. Since this is a multi-tool, you have other things concealed neatly into the solid metal cylindrical shape, including a hammer, seatbelt cutter, SOS flasher, compass, burglar alarm, USB charger, and of course, a 755 feet flashlight. Autovox Solar Wireless Backup Camera. Autovox is the world's first smart parking device. Even if your car is not solar-powered, at least the backup camera inside is. It can be installed easily with the use of only 2 security screws with no need for wiring, and automatically launches when it senses your car backing up to prevent any accidents. The solar wireless backup camera from Autovox comes equipped with a 2800 mAh battery, which will automatically recharge each time it is exposed to direct sunlight. The kit comes with a 5-inch monitor, suction cup, charger cables, remote control, and user manual, in addition to the camera itself. ROAV Viva Pro. USB ports attached to your car 12-volt power outlet have never been truly high-tech beyond fast charging and multiple compatibilities, until the ROAV Viva Pro. More than just an adapter, this dongle comes with Alexa support, meaning it can recognize your voice and command your phone to do a lot of things. The dongle functions as a microphone and status indicator. Once connected to your phone via the ROAV Viva app installed on your Android or iPhone, the dongle can operate the phone to access maps, open the browser, play music, make phone calls, send texts, and just about everything else you ask. And of course, you can use the features while recharging your phone at the same time. Ford locking wheel nut. Back in January 2020, Ford began working with an industrial 3D printing provider, EOS, to build locking nuts. Now that may sound like a wasteful idea until you realize that the intention is to analyze driver's voice and turn it into a biometric identification in order to create the physical pattern of vehicle locking lug nuts. The pattern is then 3D printed using corrosion and acid-resistant stainless steel. Once the identification process is completed, driver can obtain a kit filled with a set of wheel nuts and specialized tool to screw and unscrew them. This should protect alloy wheels from theft and help reduce insurance premiums. ThinkWare U1000. Dashcam technology has been here for a while. It is a video recording device installed on a car and often equipped with driver assistance warning systems, such as collision warning and lane departure alerts, among others. Many brands are available in the market. In case you were looking for an absolute best in terms of video quality but without additional screen that may cause distractions while driving, the ThinkWare U1000 should fit the bill well. It comes with built-in GPS and Wi-Fi connectivity for location, speed data, and camera alerts. But most importantly, the device records in a sharp 4K video quality through its 150-degree lens. You can also add an optional rear camera that shoots in lower but still crisp nonetheless 2K resolution. And that with wide dynamic range and enhanced night vision, then you can have feature-packed, non-nonsense dashcam. Zeus Smart Vehicle Health Monitor. As the name suggests, the Smart Vehicle Health Monitor from Zeus is able to detect and analyze car performance on the go. The device is connected to the car's OBD2 data link connector. Simply hit Scan on your smartphone app and the Zeus will scan your vehicle for any issues. The Vehicle Health Monitor uses its own predictive algorithm to diagnose common issues based on engine error codes. It can even pull up video tutorial on how to repair the issue. The device must be connected to iPhone or Android phone to work. Thigh-Eye CarView 3. One thing that makes the Thigh-Eye CarView 3 different than most dashcams is the screen. Instead of using a typical square frame screen attached to the windscreen, there is a 10-inch IPS touchscreen that looks like a traditional rearview mirror. In fact, you can secure it nicely over the actual rearview mirror. At the back of the screen, you get a camera with 170-degree lens that records 2.5K resolution video. The rear camera, wired to the screen, also uses a wide-angle lens, but it records 1080p footage. The camera is IP67 water resistant, so you don't have to worry about rain. Recordings from both the front and rear cameras can be displayed side by side on the screen. RapidX X5 Plus. At a glance, the X5 Plus from RapidX is like any typical car charger you see in convenience store. It has multiple ports and plugs directly into car's 12-volt port. What makes the X5 Plus a little bit different from competitors in the market is how it comes with a Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0 port for fast charging, a Type-C USB port, and 3 standard USB ports. The set is comprised of 2 devices. One is the actual plug-in USB charger, and another is an extension connected by 5-foot-long wire designed for passengers. It does offer the convenience of being able to recharge multiple devices simultaneously, while avoiding wire clutter in your car. Mobileye 8 Connect. If you are familiar with built-in or third-party car satellite navigation, you should find no problem using Mobileye 8 Connect. To be precise, the system is not actually a digital map in the sense that it displays which route to take for you to get from point A to B, but it constantly scans the road ahead and acts as an advanced driver assistance system. There are 3 devices in total: camera unit mounted behind the rearview mirror, GPS unit on the lower corner of passenger side windscreen, and a small display on the driver's side. They work together to give you audio and visual alerts in case the system detects risk of accidents, such as driving above the speed limit, making lane change without turn indicators, and unsafe distance to the vehicle ahead. Mobileye 8 Connect also collects data about weather events, road markings, traffic lights, and construction areas along the way. Over-the-air updates will keep the system relevant to current road conditions and help drivers stay safe. Zeus Smart Wireless Backup Camera. In case you want to use your phone as a monitor to see what's behind your car when parking or reversing, Zeus also makes smart wireless backup camera for that. The installation is very easy. It does not require drilling or wiring. You can install it in your license plate in just 5 minutes. The system works by pairing the camera with your phone via Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. You need to download the Zeus app for the camera and phone to sync properly. The camera itself is 2-megapixel lens and a 170-degree viewing angle.